Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making homemade honey lemon iced tea. The perfect homemade lemon iced tea that celebrates sunny summer flavor any time of year. Fresh squeezed lemons brings that classic bright contrast. Floral honey adds the natural sweetness, and the chilled black tea brings it all together. The perfect thirst quencher, filled with nourishment in this naturally sweetened lemon iced tea. This drink is a true treat, made with antioxidant-rich black tea, zesty lemon juice, and a drizzle of raw honey. Push aside those sugary sodas. This wholesome alternative is deliciously refreshing and deliciously good for you with every sip. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make homemade lemon iced tea. To start this recipe, I'm going to add to a large pot 8 cups of water. And to extract as much flavor power as possible from my lemons, I'm going to cut 3 whole lemons in half and add them to the water. I'm going to place this on my stovetop and allow it to come to a boil. This is going to allow my lemons to get super soft so we can extract as much juice as possible. Not to mention all the flavor-packed oil in the skin of the lemon. I'm going to let this simmer for about 10 minutes, then remove from the heat and add in 4 tea bags. Black tea gives that classic iced tea flavor, but feel free to switch it out for your favorite blend of tea. Then I'm going to add in the sweetener. For this recipe, I'm using 3/4 to 1 cup of honey. You can give it a taste and add in more or less depending on how sweet you like your tea. The honey is going to give us that extra layer of flavor and sweetness, while being full of antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Then I'm going to cover the pot and allow the lemons and the tea to steep and cool. This is going to take about 30 minutes. Once cool, I'm going to squeeze out all of the juice left in the lemons. By now, the inside of the lemons should be super soft and easy to squeeze. Instead of squeezing the lemons at the beginning, this is going to give us so much flavor to add to the tea. Once you've extracted all that bright, sunny goodness, you can set the rest of the lemon aside. Remove the tea bags and set them aside as well. I'm just going to give this flavorful tea a stir, and I'm going to strain anything out before serving it. To do this, I'm just going to place a large strainer on top of the pitcher. Strain out the seeds and any chunks of lemons. You can set these aside. Fill the rest of the pitcher up with ice and then give the tea a taste. Add a little bit of water for a milder flavor, and you can add more honey if you'd like it a little sweeter. Then place the tea in the fridge to chill. And as always, you can find a link to the full recipe in the description box below. And my sunny lemon iced tea is ready to serve. This is the perfect drink to bring to a garden party, picnics, or a quiet afternoon on the porch. It's cold, crisp, and kissed with just the right amount of sunshine. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.